Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp. As you can see, I am using iPhone and this time there is no Meta AI in my iPhone right now. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get and which condition you can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to close your WhatsApp, and after that you need to open your app store. Okay, in app store you need to tap on WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp messenger is up to dated to the latest WhatsApp messenger update. So after checking that, you need to tap on open and wait for a few seconds. You can see appears on screen. Can't see any Meta AI on my WhatsApp right now. So just go to the status section. Okay, you can see a person screen here are showing WhatsApp channel right now. Just tap on that and wait for a few seconds. Okay, as you know, there are showing WhatsApp Meta is on air in few countries but not showing all the countries. So when your country able to get that feature, you can easily get that on your WhatsApp. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how you can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp Messenger. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.